fridge. My parents are upstairs, but they don't care if you drink.
Okay, cool.
All of these things people told me keep messing with my head.
I hate that shit.
What do you smoke?
I smoke hand-rolled cigarettes. Never industrially produced, never cloves.
What's wrong with cloves?
Can't inhale cloves, what's the point?
Oh,
You're not supposed to.
well, cloves were what I first smoked when I was young, so, you know, it's a force of habit.
It has fiberglass.
Really?
Yeah. Rolling your own is best. Also, like, I'm trying to, as much as possible, not participate in our economy. I don't like money. So, I'm trying to live by bartering alone.
But doesn't Catholic school cost money?
Yeah, the diocese were super into it. It mattered to my dad that I go to Xavier, so just trying to make him happy.
I don't want to have sex yet. I haven't had sex yet with another person. Really?
Don't have to say what you did. I already know. No chance.